Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. It's Sunday, June 26th, 2016. What I have today is an old Dayton key cutting machine. I picked this thing up for 15 bucks at a flea market at Todd Farm, and you know, it works. I plugged it in already. I'm about to cut a key. Now, what I have two keys. One's almost blank, very shallow cuts, and yeah, you can see there's the price tag, and gonna take it for a test spin here, and just see what it can do. Right, first and foremost, this is the one particular key here. Put it in there, tighten it down, take the second key, put it in, tighten it down. Now, in case you guys are checking out the little bumps on the key to figure out if you can make a copy yourself and try, I'm going to warn you, this key doesn't go to the fan cave. It does not go to my house. It's just a random door within the house that you won't be able to access without several other keys and an alarm. So, that being said, let's give it a whirl, shall we? Alrighty then. Now, moment of truth. I'm actually going to try it in the aforementioned lock. Yeah, I told you it's a door inside another door. It's locked. Now it's unlocked. Now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. Alright, so it does work. It's actually, I have actually some more blank keys I'm going to try out here. While I have you here, pardon the mess, folks. I'm in a perpetual state of moving, always. Blanks, there we go. Try Mr. Ilko. Then I'm going to try that with the key to my aunt's apartment. Water. See if those two will correspond. Of course, won't be quite as interesting because I won't be able to actually test it until I get to my aunt's apartment, which is about I don't know, 30 miles away or whatever. So, alrighty then. Well, there we have it. Well, these are actually some antique key blanks. You can tell it has the round hole. You know, it's an old Schlag SC1 blank, and it has the round hole instead of the trapezoidal hole that the newer ones all have. Seems to match up pretty well. Guess the moment of truth won't be until I try it. But yeah, seems like hopefully it's gonna work. And that's all. I just wanted to show you guys my new little contraption. As you can tell, it's a Dayton and I don't know, I can't tell from here what year it is, but let's take a look, see if I can. AC/DC series motor, HP 1115. So I don't see any years on here. That's alright, I don't need years. Seems to work, not bad for 15 bucks. I just saw it sitting there and there's all kinds of random old motors and stuff lying around there people sell, and I saw the belt, I saw the motor, and then the dead giveaway where I saw these two grips, and as soon as I saw those I said, oh, that's a key cutter. I know what that is. And you know, I remember as a kid I loved old keys, and you know, I just love the old yeah, I love the old key cutting machines and stuff. I remember when I was 16, my local Hearts Hardware True Value, I think it's an Ace now, but it was a True Value. The owner, actually, when I turned 16, I got a copy to my mother's old old Chrysler LeBaron, old K car. You know, he actually let me cut it myself. He didn't, you know, didn't charge me or anything. Just, you know, let me cut it. Gave me the copy for free because it was my 16th birthday. You know, and I wanted to keep the car, and yeah, it was kind of cool. So, anyway, this is sort of, I call this the fan cave too. This is the cellar in my house. I've got my NF Industrial. This is like, you know, my favorite fan of my collection. My Newtone Proline 1. Another favorite in my collection, and I've got a few random fans down there, not too much, you know, not much of note, but you know, anyway, that's about it. I hope you folks have a great day, good night, and good luck.